The final slide for the project, Outside Color Vignette 2, will just be a matter of burning through these mountains. And to do that, apply a layer mask. Make sure that outside color layer is selected and put a mask on it. Then brush it with black to reveal. So I've got a black color. I'll do a nice soft brush. Somewhere in there is my model. You want to get your model and just a little bit of the outside color around it, or that's inside color. Of course, keep in mind that you can always go white to conceal once again. Once you get it to where you want it, go ahead and change the opacity down to 50%. There or about. Remember, it's supposed to be a gradual fade, and you can see slight shapes and some texture here in the outside vignette. Last but not least, we'll apply, it's this button right here. This is called an adjustment layer, and we're going to go to levels again. And you were playing with this earlier, so we've got 3 tabs, and so we can play with the tabs a little bit to give our image a little bit more adjustment, a little bit more contrast perhaps, to where you like it. And that is the end of the project.